In this video, we will talk about how to fix the volume does not contain a recognized file system. Click in Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type diskpart, press Enter, then list disk, press Enter. Here, we have disk with 57 gigabytes. So type select disk 1, press Enter. Next, type select partition 1, Enter. Then format fs equals ntfs, quick, and press Enter. Then type assign, press Enter, and exit out of diskpart. Here you can see, now we can use our USB drive. So that's how you can fix the volume does not contain a recognized file system. See you in the next video.